We can't stop watching.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, presenting you with my new car. This is a 2012 BMW 328i F30. It's completely stock for now. I just got the car.
And can you explain what are these?
Yes, so these are the reason that I sold my 520D and I got a 328i, because I could never do this in the 520D. So let me walk you around the car and tell you all about it, and tell you the reason why I went from a 2014 5 Series to a 2012 3 Series. First of all, I'm not made of money. So the difference between that car and this car will be mostly used towards modding this car, which you guys are gonna see on the channel. For those of you who don't know, this car has a 2-liter turbocharged engine that makes around 250 horsepower. So it's definitely more powerful than the 520D that I had. As you can see, this car has no front lip. To be honest, it came with a front lip. And let me show you what happened. This is what happened the first day of my ownership. The screw is off. Yeah. So basically, the first day that I was driving this car, I came up here to Genting, and this car is lower than the 5 Series and I wasn't used to it. So I hit the front lip, not even that hard, but the screw fell off. Then the next day I was doing my normal speed limit. The front lip kept hitting the ground and then it slowly just ripped off, and we got here to having no front lips. Few things that I really like about this car are the rims. They are 18s, but I would prefer 19s, but I think these look really good. And this car, when I bought it, it came with Michelin PS4 tires, which is what I would put on my own car. And wow, I saved a lot of money, right, over there, which I think we just wasted like half of the tires lifespan here. Okay, this is a luxury line. I mentioned in a previous video, BMW comes in luxury line, sport line, and M Sport. This is a luxury line, so it comes with these with this interior. Let me know what you think about this interior. It's the exact same color as my 5 Series, so I don't really have a problem with it, but let me know what you think of this color down below in the comments. If you made it this far into the video, please go ahead, subscribe, like the video, it's free. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. Car has these old like pre-LCI taillights, pre-LCI headlights. It comes with a stock, as stock as it could be. I'm pretty sure they have already changed the body kit to M Sport, because this is a luxury line and has an M Sport body kit. Few things I have in mind that I'm not gonna share are gonna have to do with this rear end and how the car sounds, but I'm not gonna say anything else.
Can we go eat Five Guys now? I'm starving.
No. We eat some donuts here.
Okay.
Oh,
we eat donuts, yeah. We just had some donuts right now,
Yeah.
which we're gonna have some more,
Down.
probably. This is the car. Let me know what you think, and let me know what kind of mods do you want to see on this car. Obviously, it's the F30 chassis, and there's a lot of mods that you can do to these. So let me know what you'd like to see on the channel, and I'll try to make it happen. One more important thing about this car is that it's really fast. I mean, really fast for a 2-liter engine. Alright, if you made it this far into the video, I really wanted to thank you. I really wanted to thank you for watching my content and supporting me. You're the reason I keep making this content and setting the bar higher every time. I wanted to do a giveaway for you guys who watch all of my content. Comment down below, write F30. By next week, I will choose one random comment. I will give away $15 to your PayPal, and you will be the first week's giveaway winner. Let's go watch the rest of the video. Yes!
How do you feel?
Nice! I love this car!